Kids.
Yummy peanut butter, yummy, yummy jelly. Let's make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Yummy peanut butter, yummy, yummy jelly. Here is what we need: 2 slices of bread, a spoon to spread, and some yummy peanut butter and yummy, yummy jelly. Yummy peanut butter, yummy, yummy jelly. Let's start! First lay out 2 slices of bread. 1, 2. Then let's open the yummy peanut butter. Yum, 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 yummy peanut butter. Yum, yum, yum. Let's scoop the yummy peanut butter and spread it on the bread. Nice and smooth, look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Next, let's open the yummy, yummy jelly. Then, let's scoop the yummy, yummy jelly and spread it on the bread. Scoop and spread on the bread. Nice and smooth, yum, yum, yum. Yummy peanut butter, yummy, yummy jelly. Now it's time to put it together. Let's pick up the bread with the yummy peanut butter and lay it down onto the slice with yummy, yummy jelly. Look at that delicious yum, yum, yum. Yummy peanut butter, yummy, yummy jelly. Can we eat now? Not yet, we need to close the jars, clean up and put everything away. Now let's take our sandwich and we'll eat it. Yummy peanut butter, yummy, yummy jelly. Yummy peanut butter, yummy, yummy jelly. Yum, yum, yum.
That was fun! Search for Nimbles Kids on YouTube. Make sure to click the subscribe button and come back soon.